Here's pre-calc, it's problem 7-120. It says, why are the following notations not used in limits? And it has all these notations. Like, why wouldn't we take a limit as x approaches infinity from the left? Well, is there any other way that x could approach infinity? Because isn't infinity like off, infinity's that way, right? So it would be impossible to approach infinity from the right, because what's bigger than infinity so that you would be coming toward it, right? So that's why these two, because there's only one way to approach infinity, and because infinity is that way, you can only approach it from the left. So we don't bother with saying approaching it from. So this one, yes, you can approach it from the left, but we don't have a need for writing that minus sign there, because it's the only way to approach it. And approaching it from the right doesn't even make sense, because how could you get at infinity from the right if infinity is the farthest right thing there is? There's no to the right of infinity. So that takes care of those two. I hope that made some sense. And so let's take a limit as x approaches negative infinity from the left. So negative infinity. So if it's negative infinity, it's as far as you can possibly go that way. So how could I approach it from the left if it is the utmost left? There's no left of the leftist left, if that makes any sense. You can't get any farther left than negative infinity, so how could you possibly approach it from the left? So this is impossible. And then this one, the limit as x approaches negative infinity from the right, well, yes, I can approach negative infinity from the right. It's the only way I can approach negative infinity, so there's no need to even specify that it's from the right. So this is kind of redundant down here. Like, of course I have to approach negative infinity from the right. There's no other direction to approach it from. Hopefully that made sense.